I'm not gonna do that anymore. I had to come up with like a random name. So, all right. So here we go. So, what is given is that G is parallel to H, which is really helpful to have, and that angle G and angle 3 are supplementary. We have to prove that angle 6 is congruent to angle 2. Congruent, not equal. Okay, so now first we have our statement here. The first one that we have, see, it's going to be hard to write on this freaking thing. So the first one that we have is just that we're going to provide what's given to us. G is parallel to H, and that angle 6 and angle 3 are supplementary. Reason for that one is just given. So that one we know. All right, great. Second one. Now, based upon G and H being parallel, that's what we got to work off of G and H being parallel. So G and H being parallel, what can we do next? What are some of you thinking? Like, where do you want to go next with this one? Because G and H are parallel. We have that angle 6 and angle 3 are supplementary. They gave us that. So those three equal 180 degrees. What can we do next? Spitballer, what are you thinking? Throw something out there. Well, how I'm looking at this right away, right? I'm looking at up here in the givens and the proof, they've given us and talked about angles 3 and angles 2, right? They kind of threw it out there a little bit. So I want to connect those two together. So for my statement, how can I connect 3 and 2? Those angles are called what? Same side and 2. Let's go that route, right? So I'm going to say angle 3 and angle 2 are supplementary, right? And so what's my reason for that? Somebody give it to me. What's the reason? They're same side interior, yes. So same side interior angles are supplementary. A lot of times the proof, sometimes the proof will kind of give you hints of where you want to go. So we had the given, angle 6 and angle 3 are supplementary. I'm going to go, okay, cool. Since you've given me some stuff and what I got to prove and what's given, I'm going to say, all right, based upon G and H being parallel, that angles 2 and angles 3 are supplementary angles because they're same side interior. That didn't look right. I don't know why I did that. There we go. Those are same side interior there. Now, the last part is something we kind of haven't seen, but you can do. And this will, I want you to get this down because you didn't have this. I appreciate the way you did it, so I gave you credit for it, but it should look like this. So then now we're going to say that angle 6 and angle, well, I'm sorry, that's so sloppy. Hard to write on this damn thing. Angle 6 and angle 2 are congruent. But this is why. So now we're going to put supplements of the same angle. Everyone get this down because no one had this. Supplements of the same angle are congruent. We hadn't probably seen that, but I'm going to show you why that works. Because they said that 6 and 3 are supplementary angles. 6 and 3 are supplementary angles. So they combine equal 180. And 2 and 3 are also supplementary angles. So that means that if 6 and 3 equal 180 and 2 and 3 equal 180, that 6 and 2 must be the same measurement, right? So let's just say here that if, let's say we had angle 6 equals, I don't know, 120, and let's say we had angle 3 equals 60, and then now we had, let's say, angle 6 and 3 equal 180 together. And now we have angle 2. So they equal 180 together. And then now we have, if angle 3 equals 60, so that means that angle 3 equals 60. So what's angle 2 equal? 60. No, look at it. 120, right? Because they both equal 180 degrees. So if angle 6 and 3 are 180, right? And let's say for an example, angle 3 is 60 degrees. So we know angle 3 is 60. That means that angle 2 must also equal 120, like angle 6 does. So that's why it says supplements of the same angle are congruent. That means that angle 6 and angle 2 must be the same angle measure because angle 3 is the same no matter where it is. So I don't think we've had a proof that had that yet. So that was a little bit something new, but I wanted to, it's something to add because it might come up again with these triangles. So that was in. And how does the proof end?
QED.
QED. We're done. So that was 3 and 5. I know the other ones you guys can work together and figure out, but I wanted to make sure I kind of showed you those two. Now put these attach these on the blog also. Okay, done with that one.